So what do you think of these 15s compared to our old brands?
Well, we got out in the water and the troll motor does not work. So we are stranded out here. But we're gonna make a couple casts and then head in and start troubleshooting that. All right, what's going on?
Let's get this up and over.
So I guess just to reiterate, we went on the water, launched the boat, got out there, and then tried to troll on the bank.
No trolling mode.
Nothing. You know, hindsight, you probably should have tested this before we went out in the lake, huh?
Well, it was just easier to do it out there.
Yeah. So our first step here is just to get it deployed and test it out. So we're getting power to the motor. Whenever I push the foot pedal down, it seems like it kind of twitches a little bit.
Oh, it spun all the way around.
Did it?
One time.
Is the power on?
Yeah. It's off now. It's on.
It's on? It's not spinning now. You know, I think it's like seized or something.
You what?
The motor's seized or something.
Yeah. Well, it spun around, but...
Well, is there anything we can troubleshoot, or is it just take it to get rebuilt?
I think just take it up to Burris and get it checked out and fixed.
What do we need to take off? Just the... Because last time we took the whole thing off.
Yeah. Take the pedal off. We got to take the pedal because I think the problem's right here in the pedal.
The button?
Well, why is it? They must have had this out and didn't put it back together right.
Oh, they had it out, and they must have been trying to fix it, huh?
That's what I would think. Excuse me. I didn't know it was on film.
That was a good one, huh? So just take it off is what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're just gonna take it off and get it rebuilt. So.
The only thing I know to do.
I guess we could rebuild it ourselves, huh?
No, I'm gonna have Boris. I mean, they're Minn Kota. I don't understand why. This is.
The pedal.
Yep. Because our last one never moved like that.
Huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
there must just be one screw in the back holding it. So.
Maybe they already had it rebuilt, huh? Probably needs it again. I mean, if you see the scratches on the bottom, you know they probably hit the troll motor a few time or two. All right, let's take it off.
We're going to take this off first.
Okay.
Set it aside to get that pedal out.
All right, well, let's get to it.
You can go get some.
All right, so now we're taking this pedal out, but looks like we're gonna have to tear it up a little bit and unplug these wires. What the heck? These wires.
Okay. That's from here.
It's from rubbing.
See right here. I remember whenever I did
Oh.
I had to put that all in mine.
It's got a little
Yeah,
terminal block.
yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let's unplug the power first before you go touching those, huh?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
You just want to pull the fuse for this? Or what? How do you want to shut the power off?
Does the disconnect switch work?
I don't know if it will or not.
Well, we can test the voltage on it.
Yeah, let me go get a light. Let me go get my light.
I'm gonna go disconnect the power from the switch here. It's right in there. All right, it's in the off position.
What's in here? Oh, the main power?
Yeah. Really? 38 volts. Yeah, it's still alive.
Yeah, so
40 volts.
36 system.
Oh, there's Grandma.
You know, we could just take him off with the power on. I don't care. Because, huh? Oh, we have no idea. We're just tearing it apart. Well, it's going to, look, this is the power coming to the block. Mm-hmm. We're not going to take that off. We're going to take these off, right? Yeah.
Well, don't touch anything. At least metal to metal. All right, well, we got the pedal disconnected from the power and everything. And so now there should just be those big old bolts on the frame there.
I remember him telling me when I took his off that there's a spring in here, you know?
Uh-huh.
And he said, I'm lucky I didn't kill myself.
Oh.
Um,
Dang.
because I remember him telling me I didn't need to take this all off.
All right, so we're gonna take this off. And the way to do this is deploy the motor and then take the
Locked position.
lock position. Take this 1/4-inch bolt out right here. We already did that.
We're going to try to remove the motor.
So here we go.
Lower that down. Jeez, they didn't put no oil on, nothing, ever. You got it up top, pull. There.
Holy cow.
Okay.
Look at there's grass in it.
They terrible.
Good night.
No wonder it's not working. Straight up, huh?
Oh yeah.
Heck, might as well just bring it right out to the truck. Get rid of it.
Yeah. All right, well, you covered it up, huh?
Yeah, so it don't bounce around.
We got the trolling motor loaded up. We're gonna send it off to get rebuilt, and hopefully it'll work, huh?
I'm sure it will after Boris fixes it.
Yeah. So
We fixed our last one.
we'll get back to you. All right, we got the brand new troll motor back from the shop, and now we're gonna install it on there and start setting it up. We're live, man.
I'm alive.
All right, so we're gonna put it up on there, and we just have to set it in there, and then there's about one Allen head right here. What size is it?
1/4 inch.
1/4-inch Allen head. And
I will be the installer.
all right.
You be the holder.
Yeah, it's a pretty easy job. It's a little heavy though. Just pick her on up, huh?
It should latch on there itself. There you go. There you go.
I don't think it's latched on though.
Not there.
There it is.
Need I go? I got it.
So it's pretty easy to install. Just lifted it up and then set it in there. And then this one Allen head right here that's
1/4 inch.
it's mounted. So it took about 3 weeks to get this thing repaired. We had Boris Marine in Fort Worth take care of it. About $1,400, so not too bad.
Whole new bottom unit.
Whole new, yeah, they had a
And everything else checked out good.
whole new motor, everything. It was so bad they couldn't rebuild it. So it's better than buying a new one for $4,000.
This wires go in here.
That thing is clean in there, huh?
I cleaned as much as I could.
Alright, just bring it over there. We don't have any screws.
I got them.
Remember, there's only one screw. Yeah. There you go. So this goes back right there.
These are the 2 power wires
Uh-huh.
for the whole trolling motor.
Okay.
And they bolt
Right there.
right there into this fuse bus. Right there.
Power bus.
Yeah.
Alright, so you want me to do the power.
Yeah, red to black. Red and black.
Okay, red to black?
Red and black.
Alright, that should be easy enough. You better cut the power, man. You've done that to me before.
It's off. It's off.
You've shocked me before.
Yeah, I promise it's off.
You gotta watch that old man. Alright, just gonna hook up the power wires to that bus and then we'll be almost done. Just have to do the electronics next. Well, we got the power all powered up and the pedal in there, and then we realized we didn't put this
Trim ring on.
trim in there. So before you go doing that, make sure to keep this trim piece in mind before you go putting the pedal in.
You're seeing it live here, buddy. We don't lie.
This is live action. You install it to uninstall it to install it again. Let's see, this goes right here. Oh yeah, that ain't too bad, huh?
Not yet.
We're gonna get it, huh? So, look at that. Look at that. You know what's going on, huh?
We can, well, yeah, if you make a mistake.
So now we get these ones. Got a little swivel and a little Torx bit.
That's too small. Use your gun. Can I do one? You can go wherever you want.
That goes to the trolling motor. All right, we got it all buttoned up. It's looking good. Looking clean. What do you think? What's your thoughts on it?
I'm wondering.
How to route the cable?
Yeah.
I think it goes like this usually. Just like that. Alright, let's turn it on. Oh, okay. We got power.
It's a good sign.
Turn this on. We'll do just one or two. And let's see
what happens.
See if we get some movement here.
Oh yeah.
Holy smokes, huh?
This is so quiet.
Well, that's just one.
Yeah.
We can bump her up.
Try it.
Try full power.
No, I don't know about full power.
Oh, full power. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Sounds like a jet engine.
I love that nut I bought on the end.
Yeah, that's the best part. Huh? All right, well that's it.
Fish will like it.
There's the troll motor. We got the troll motor on. Got the troll motor and it's working real good. The only thing we had to do was pair it. To pair it, you just I guess I'll show real quick. And then you go to the puck in the back, and you push this button until it starts flashing. It's the pair button on the troll motor. And then once that stops flashing, they're paired at that point. Should be good to go. Yeah, we finally got on the water. What's your line, Pap? What's your line today?
Didn't catch a thing. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
One thing about fishing, you always come back the next day.
Today was just getting the troll motor going and getting our baits out for the first time.